If you are trying to build an email list or make more sales from your website, check this out. Are you using pop-ups on your website? No, not the terrible ones that show up straight away and ruin the user experience. Hey, I'm Heather Porter from Website Love, and in this one tip in 1 minute, I'm going to share which pop-ups actually work. So, what is a pop-up? It can be a form to build your email list, a voucher or coupon code, a site-wide notice that promotes a special, or even a live chat box. Basically, it's anything you want, and it's going to pop up in a box on your website over the rest of your content. And here's how to get your website pop-ups to work for you. Number 1, and this is the most important one, make sure your pop-ups are timed. On a mobile device, make sure the pop-up doesn't show up for at least 30 seconds. This is going to give your visitor enough time to consume your content and then decide if the message in the pop-up is right for them. On a desktop or laptop, you can set your pop-up to be what's called exit intent. So that means if somebody's leaving the browser on their computer, then the pop-up shows. Number 2, display the right message at the right time. Did you know that you can choose different messages to display on different pages of your site? For example, on your blog post or certain blog post topics or categories, you can display a pop-up that gives away a freebie that's very specific to that topic. Then over on your shopping cart page, you could display some sort of special offer or coupon or discount to entice somebody to continue buying that product. Number 3, show different messages based on what somebody did with you before. For example, if somebody signed up to your email list, then a pop-up could show up just to them that promotes a special offer or something that you want to draw their attention to. And number 4, pop-ups can also be used for your customers and prospects to seek help. You can have a live chat box that pops up too. It can be Messenger or some other live chat tool. Want to know what my favorite pop-up tools are? There's a link near this video that will show you. Make sure to not miss a future 1 tip in 1 minute. Subscribe or follow me wherever you're watching this video. And I'll see you next time.